Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a defensive driving course with iDrive Safely, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of transferring a defensive driving course with iDrive Safely, first, visit the official iDrive Safely website. Once on the home page, locate the Defensive Driving tab. Click on this tab to explore the available courses and options. Next, identify the course you previously completed and want to transfer. Make sure to check if your state recognizes iDrive Safely's courses for credit. If your course is eligible for transfer, gather all necessary information and documentation. This may include your completion certificate and any relevant personal details. After organizing your documents, navigate to the course transfer section on the website. Follow the prompts to fill out the transfer request form. Be prepared to input your personal information and the details of your original course. Once the form is complete, review your information for accuracy. Submit the transfer request to iDrive Safely for processing. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your transfer request. Keep an eye on your inbox for any follow-up communications. An iDrive Safely representative will assist you with any questions during this process. If your request is approved, you will receive further instructions on your next steps. Finally, take note of any deadlines related to your transfer to ensure timely completion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.